Okay. Since you like seeing me do this kind of stuff. Sweet potato. Knife. Couple of pokes in it. Good enough. And it's what we got there? 5 to 11. I'm gonna go with, well, depends on how hot the oven is right now, but quail are running. Run, hurry up. What do we got going here? Oh, it's even partially in the shade. Huh. Only 400. Okay. Oh yeah. The leftovers that fell out of it. Oh well. Okay. I'm thinking. Let me think. I might as well just pop you all the way down. I'll check it at noon. Probably be done. And in the meantime, I just got asked if I can cook meat in there, so let's see what I got frozen. Sorry for the fan noise. I got 2 out of 3 fans blowing the air up there so I don't, it stays comfortable. Alright. What do we got in here? Smoked sausage. Bacon. What's this over here? Ooh. Chicken drumsticks. Yeah, I'm thinking those will be next. Might have to. Oh man, I got a whole thing of ham in here I didn't know I had. I think I'll take these out too. Get them thawing out. And as long as I got the whatchamacallit, sweet potato in there. This stuff's kind of hard to do with one hand, Especially when nothing wants to cooperate. Some of this stuff is so hard to get into. I'll poke a couple holes in you. And then, because these are a little wide, what I'll do is I bend these in a little, throw the crust in on top of itself. And then, go slide it in the solar oven. These almost dropped the phone. Still sitting just shy of 400, and that's with throwing that sweet potato in there. Alright, you two can hang out in there for about an hour. I'll come back in 45 minutes to check on the chicken pot pie. Oh man, what we got going out there? 99 at 11. Alright. Jeez, I made a mess. Look at that. One dirty plate, one box, one Ziploc baggie. Okay. I'll just leave these here. Smoked sausages. And drumsticks. $2.50 a pound. And I got chicken seasoning I can throw on there. Of course, I also got barbecue sauce and stuff like that, but I'll usually just throw chicken seasoning on it. And I throw them in one of these bread pans. I'll put 2 in each bread pan. You'll see that. But right now, you're gonna have to be happy with sweet potato and a pot pie. And I'm in here where it's nice and cool, and it's 99 degrees out there. Alright, I'll be back. Okay. The pot pie's been in there for at least half an hour. I'll go take a look. If it's ready, I'll grab it. Well, I'll have to come in and grab it. What do we got? 320. Yeah, not quite. I'm gonna give it a little while longer. Oh, yeah, you're getting squeezable too. Okay. I gotta redo these. Yep, I gotta redo the screws on this. After, I don't know, I think I've built this 13 years ago. I should redo it again. It's gotten wore out. Alright, another 15 minutes. Alright. Been an hour and a half. Oop. Check it out. Guys are putting wire up. What do you call it? Fiber optic cables. That's pretty cool. They got something up there tracking along. I've never seen how they do that. Pretty cool. Oh, I smell a pot pie. Hi, little one. Yeah, you got guts because you're worrying about me. All the rest are gone. Good birdie. Yeah. All right. Yeah, it's back up over 300, so that means it's getting pretty done. No, that's still a little. I want that to get a little better. I'm gonna give this a squeeze. Oh yeah. Alright. I'm gonna go get a paper plate. Take the sweet potato back out. DC cable. That's who's doing that. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a wait a minute. I forgot I put my doogie in my back pocket. Lori made this for me the first Christmas we were around each other. Alright. I'll leave you in another 10 minutes or so. Yeah, that's a gushy sweet potato. Alright, now what I do with this is I'll bring it on in here and I will Yeah, just set it in there. I'll wrap it up with aluminum foil because I'm not going to eat it right now. Yeah. Oh, and somebody a minute ago, I was looking through the comments, mentioned putting the biscuits in a gallon Ziploc baggie. Just so you know, there they are, because that's what I do with them. This is starting to get done. It's thawed out. These are thawed out enough. Now they get moved down into the fridge. And these are, I'm going to let these go a few more, let them thaw out a little more, because if I put them in the fridge, then they tend to not thaw the rest of the way sometimes. Alright. One baked potato. Sweet potato. Yep, it are done. And I'm going to let the pot pie stay in there about another 10 minutes. I want the top to be a little crispier. Yeah, I may use one of these or two of these for breakfast tomorrow. Put a fried egg on each one. That sounds good. Alright. I'll be back when the pot pie is done. Okay. There's the time. So far today, and I could have done more. 8 biscuits, 1 pot pie, 1 sweet potato. If those were thawed, I could throw them in now, and by 1:30, 1:45, they'd all be done. Then I could grab something else and throw it in. I mean, I can cook food that fast all day in that solar oven. You can't say that about a box oven. You can't do that. Except this time of the year, you might be able to get away with it because they rely on the sun and the ambient outside temperature too. Mine doesn't. See, it's 103 outside right now. And it doesn't matter. It could be 33 outside. If the sun was out, I'd still have been able to cook everything you're looking at. Anyway. Yeah, everybody in the tubes. Holy smokes. After all these years of doing them, you think that I would have it totally figured out and I would have read the directions on how to do it. Almost 70 years old. And apparently I can't read and follow directions. And yet, after 40 years of doing this and following the directions, I know better. I've done it enough to know that it does not always work. And I've tried using a spoon. I've tried using the back end of a fork. The one thing that works is sometimes just taking a knife and poking about a half an inch, tick, 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 and then slap it down on the edge of the counter and it pops open. Alright, well, time to eat. I'm not videoing that. And these are still hard on the inside. Won't be much longer. No, it'll be a bit. Getting my counter all wet, dang it. Alright, and for whoever it was that said this is really boring, good. I'm working hard to make it as boring as I can for you. Later.